roads leading out of the province. The roadblocks are there to help ensure that people adhere to the national lockdown regulations, which prohibit the movement of people from their homes. Mahlako Komane has been following this story.
And yes, indeed, a good afternoon to you there at home. And as you will see that we are on the R25. Now, this is a road that comes from, I think, Brongospruit. We traveled here from Johannesburg. In fact, we traveled here from Ekurhuleni, and all the way here up until here, there were no roadblocks. I mean, we passed Brongospruit. This is a route that leads to Mpumalanga and also into Limpopo, the Skukuna area, and from there on, you can also access the N1 to Polokwane as well. In fact, you can make your way to Polokwane without necessarily having to be that long on the N1. This is the first roadblock that we have come across here. In fact, I understand that these are law enforcement from Mpumalanga. There are 3 officers here, as well as behind me you will see that there are healthcare professionals also from Mpumalanga Health here, also testing people, taking temperatures and taking down information of people. We were asked questions of what have we traveled, what is are we any symptoms, definitely, like are you coughing, and also have you had any diarrhea, and also our temperature was also taken. But also I think quite concerning that between as early as Davidton, that we use the Davidton route, the Babsfontein, making our way here into Brongospruit, and now here we have not been stopped by anyone. And also I think quite concerning to also see there are people here moving about, because this is obviously that boundary between the 2 provinces. When you move from Brongospruit and you go into Wamlanga or you go into Kwaggafontein, you've changed provinces, and quite a lot of people making that movement. I think it's quite concerning that we are seeing quite a lot of that interprovincial change, considering that, of course, Gauteng recording the higher number of infections of the COVID-19. But we will keep you up to date. We will move now to the Moloto, and we understand that there's law enforcement on the Moloto Road. We're also just going around, just checking indeed that what is what is the ease of movement in terms of moving between the various provincial lines, and also just what's happening on the road. And it's back to you in studio.